Here we go. Let's get started with our calendar lesson for today. Let's start by spelling our month of the year, which is, read it with me, November. Here we go. November. November. Good job. Now, yesterday was Thursday, which means today is Friday, and tomorrow will be Saturday. Whoop, whoop. All right, so our pattern so far has been rectangular prism, cube, cylinder. Rectangular prism, cube, cylinder. Rectangular prism, cube, cylinder. Rectangular prism, cube, cylinder. So what is today's shape probably going to be? Rectangular prism. And remember, our rectangular prisms have been rotating between vertical and horizontal. All right, so let's say today's date together. Today is Friday, November 13th, 2020. Good job. All right, so we're going to add another number to our hundreds chart. So if I'm looking this way, I'm counting by ones. 64, 65, 66, 67. But remember, I can also count down my row. 7, 17, 27, 37, 47, 57, 67. Good job. All right, let's make our place value chart match our hundreds chart. So we want the number shown in our place value chart to match that number that you just wrote on your hundreds chart, which is 67. So in order to do that, we see that this number has 6 tens, which is what we have, and this number has 7 ones. So we know that we need to add 1 ones cube to make our 6 change into a 7. Great job. All right, flip over to your next page, which should be your Today We Have sheet. And we are going to add a penny into our pocket just like we do every day. All right, so our penny goes into our pocket and we are going to count. Here we go. When we count our quarters, 25, 50, right? 25, 50, counting by tens, so 50, 60. Then we start counting by fives, so 60, 65, 66, 67. So today we have 67 cents, or we could say we have $0.67. Good job. All right, let's look at our clock, okay? So what I want you to do is I want you to take your Expo marker and you're going to draw this same time on your clock. Now, I want you to start with your minute hand. So remember, our minute hand is our long hand, and it's going to be pointing to the big number 7. Okay, so draw your minute hand pointing to that big number 7. And then let's count around your clock. Here we go. Ready? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. All right, so we have 35 minutes. And then let's look at Miss Gates's hour hand. It's the one that's shorter, right? And we know from yesterday, we were halfway around the clock, so it was halfway in between the 2 and the 3. And now, our hour hand is kind of making its way a little bit closer to that 3, but not quite there yet. So, it's still on this side of the 3, so our hour is 2. So our clock shows 2:35. All right, here we go. Our last thing for today, we are counting by tens. And we are starting at the number 459. All right? So I want you to pause your video. You're going to count by tens starting at 459. And then come on back and see if you were right. Here we go. Are we ready to check it? 459. 469. 479, 489, 499, go up to the next 100, that's right, 509, 519, 529, 539, 549. Very good job, you guys. I will see y'all in reading groups in just a little while.